How to pay contactless with Revolut. To pay contactless with Revolut, you will need to make sure the Revolut card is enabled for contactless payments. You can do this by opening up the Revolut app, going to cards, selecting your physical card and tapping on PIN and security. You then want to look for the contactless payment switch and toggle it on. You can then hold your Revolut card near the contactless reader at the checkout terminal and the reader will beep and the payment will be processed. The contactless payment limit for Revolut cards is currently £100 in the UK and €25 in Eurozone. If your purchase is more than the contactless limit, you'll be asked to enter your PIN. You can also use your Revolut card to pay contactless if you have added it to Apple Pay or Google Pay. To do this, you will need to add your Revolut card details to the respective app. Once the card is added, you can use it to pay contactless at any store that accepts Apple Pay or Google Pay. And here are some additional things to keep in mind when paying with contactless. You want to make sure your Revolut card is not damaged or dirty. The contactless reader may not be able to read your card if it is damaged or dirty. If you're using the Revolut card for your first time, the contactless reader may ask you to enter your PIN. This is to verify your identity. If you're having trouble paying with contactless, try moving your card closer to the contactless reader. You may also need to try a different contactless reader. And that is how you can pay contactless with Revolut. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you now know how you can pay contactless. If you do, please comment down below to say this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.